the disease, understand the disease, and understanding the disease, if you get it right, then you can solve any cases. So similar with case of diabetes, there were initially many failures in diabetes. We were not getting good results in diabetic patients. But when we understood the disease and understood the cause, then the results improved. So friend, the whole mathematics is of percentage of results improving. Everybody will get 20%, 30% result. But the most successful practitioner will be getting 60% result. And that is the difference between you and the successful practitioner. So if you want to improve your practice, if you want to become successful, then try to understand the disease. Try to go to core of the disease, understand the pathophysiology. See, we are not prescribing on Down syndrome. We are not prescribing on autism. But we are trying to understand the cause and then take that rubric, because that element form becomes your eliminating rubric. It's as very high value rubric. So what is again the cause of autism? And when you want to understand the cause of autism, it is a neurodevelopmental problem. So we have to understand how the brain is formed. Are you with me? Should we learn this thing, how the brain is formed, or you should just directly skip and go and prescribe for autism? Friends, I was doing that and I failed. That's what I said. In 2015, after I understood this concept of understanding the disease, my results in all diseases improved. So I will not go into detail, because if I go into detail, it will be a 6-hour, 7-hour lecture for understanding the brain. But I'll just show you glimpses. I'll just make you aware. You all can go back and read from your textbook. So if you see in a development of brain, so this is divided into 3 trimesters: first trimester, second trimester, and third trimester. And in first trimester, the structure of brain is formed. Structure, the neurons are formed and the structure is formed. Right? So that is in first trimester. In second trimester, the neurons are started connecting to each other. That is called as the synapses are formed. That is called as synaptogenesis, which continues till the child is born. In third stage, the synaptic pruning starts and the myelination also begins. So the brain development can be, for a simpler thing, for your making things very simple, I'll just divide the brain development into 3 stages. First trimester, that is neuronal developmental, neuron multiply and neuron migrate. That is called as neurogenesis. That means the formation of the structure of the brain. Right? The brain is formed.